Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to apply for the jobs on Indeed using your mobile phone in 2026. So whether you are looking for the full-time job, part-time work or remote roles, Indeed makes it super easy from your phone. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Then you need to search for Indeed. Once you are able to find the Indeed application, tap on the option of install in order to install it. Afterwards, when you open it, it will be ask you to select your email address, or you can continue here with your phone number. So you need to sign in with any of the options provided. This way you will be landed here on your job feeds. Now over here you just have to look for the job in which you are interested. You can also use the search bar here on the top, and you can look for whether you want the freshers job or any particular designation you can look for. Here on the top you can also select your country. After that it is going to show you all of the jobs that are currently available. You need to tap on that particular job in which you are interested. In order to apply for it, you will see the option of apply now here in the bottom. Now once you tap on the option of apply now, if you have already added your resume, it is well and good. But if you haven't added any of your resume, you will have to fill out all of these details. You need to first of all provide your first name, your last name, your email address and your phone number. Then simply press continue in the bottom. On the next page, simply provide the information about your work experience, your education and the location. So this helps Indeed to match you with better jobs automatically. This is one time. If you are using or applying for the job on Indeed for the very first time, you will have to apply or provide all of these details. After that, it will be very easy for you to apply for the job. When it prompts you to add the resume, you just have to upload your resume and your profile will be set up very easily. So after applying for the job, you just have to wait for some time until you get any response from the companies, and then after review you can just simply submit your application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.